Hadin ngijing cha weng no jong no elam jong keseng kongres Rahul Gandhi kum MP na Lok Sabha har kat ka along ka ba arsnem halor ke kes ka balu ka no e ka jaj Modi nadu usnem arjar khandai hakapor bolai banelap election hakarnataka ka balu ong kumno gine ginong tu baro kidai na ka jaj Modi ka balu kren hau banai April jong usnem arjar khandai hakarali election Lok Sabha arjar khandai yakni ka kes la file da u MLA ka BJP u Surat West Purnesh Modi hanrai na kaliang jong ka kod kala aipor ya Rahul Gandhi kumbalai lai pheu sngi ai banwan ra ye ka bil ban karpat chaka high court na kaliang jong Rahul Gandhi kata ha ka sngi bobot jong jing sha weng no jong u kum MP haba ajing kren shikilat pathai kubor ulong ba ngap bad kan randin wala da ki pendu MP u shirta jing im ban set jail ru.
I'm not scared of these threats, of these disqualifications, of these allegations, of these prison sentences. I don't care. I'm not scared of them. Okay? These people don't understand me yet. I am not scared of them. They are used to everybody being scared of them. I am not scared of them.